Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to find, test and submit your assignment for Harvard C50X. We'll start right from EDX course page so that you don't miss any step. So first you need to have an account on edx.org and enroll for the CS50X. So once you are logged in, there's this course section. So you're going to navigate to the correct week. So here are the lectures down here. Let's go to week 6. So once you are on week 6, you're going to be directed here. Now, this is problem set for week 6. So the instructions are simple, that you need to log in into CS50 Dev using your GitHub account. So again, you simply do that. So there we go. So this is problem set 6. That is what I'll be using for my illustration purposes. So we have got this problem, submit hello in Python. Here are the instructions. The instruction says that in a file called hello.py, in a folder called sentimental-hello, implement a program that prompts a user for their name and prints hello. So and so is provided exactly as you did in problem set 1, except that the program this time round is written in Python. Now, to implement that, first of all, we will need the problem tells us to create a folder called sentimental-hello. So we'll come here and make a directory called sentimental-hello. Then we are going to change directory sentimental-hello. Then once we are there, we're going to now create the Python file touch hello.py. So the instructions require us to implement a program that prompts the user for their name and prints hello. So what we are going to say, yes, sentimental hello. Now in this program, we are going to create a program that's going to prompt the user to input his name. So name, we're going to use the input function. What is your name? Then some space there. Then it should be able to print. So print, we are going to use the formatted f strings. So we'll say hello and the curly. So it should take the name. So what this does here, this one will prompt the user for their name. Then this one will display the name of the user. If we try to run this, let us try Python hello. hello.py. What's your name? My name is Victor. Hello. So we can now proceed and just check. So to do this, we need to copy this here and paste it here. Then press enter. It's connecting to the server. Waiting for the results. You can see it's correct. You can now again proceed and check for the style. Again, what you're going to do, copy it there. The style is equally okay. So you can now proceed and submit your work. So you'll say yes. So you can click just to see your score. So you can see here it is 3 out of 3, so that is 100%. And that is how you access, test and submit your problem set for CS50. Remember to go through first the EDX to see the actual assignment, then use CS50.dx and submit the CS50 to test and submit. Thank you. See you in the next video.